I think we are live. Raz, I think we are live.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hello everyone. So please check audio video is okay or not. If anything is wrong, please you can comment in the comment section. Please let me know if anything is wrong. All the people who are watching, please respond. Is audio video is okay or not? Right. I think yeah. So let me introduce everyone. So hello everyone. So now I am with one of my student, one of my dearest student. His name is Roz. He is working in one of the MNC as a lead product engineer. Lead product engineer. So he's working in one of the MNC, right? So yeah, let's discuss. Let's discuss Roz.
Yes, sir. So first of all, I will welcome everybody. So welcome to the YouTube live sessions with Reddy Sir, your favorite Reddy Sir. So in this session, so mainly the focus is how to be a perfect computer science student. This is the agenda for in this lecture, in this video. So, sir, before asking a few questions, let me say something. Like you have been guiding and helping so many students since 17 plus years, I believe. So I believe strongly that your experience really helps so many students. So, and I've seen so many computer science students struggling to develop the right habits, right mindset, and right approach towards the problem solving. So, in this session, so I hope your experience or your insights will definitely help the students. And there are so many top students from even IITs and non-IITs. So they prepare and success in the tech industry. So you've seen so many top students. So definitely your observations will help students. So I have few set of questions and we have so many students. So if you are ready, then I will shoot one by one.
Yeah, yeah. Shoot me, Roz. Go ahead. Go ahead and shoot me. Many people are seriously looking for that. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So the right habits to develop as a computer science student. That is the first question. And the next question is how to develop a right mindset for the computer science.
Mhm. Right habits. What are the right habits for the CSE people? Right. So, so the first right habit I strongly believe as a CSE person through these many years, what I felt is Ross, problem solve. Instead of thinking blindly, think without by hearting kind of thing. Means clear picture. What exactly problem is, right? So I think common sense only can solve most of the problem. CSC people, in my opinion, they have to use common sense. Some by-hearted formulas, they don't work out. That is the reason in the gate examination, if you observe, suppose I completed the total syllabus. Let us assume I completed total syllabus. Someone is writing the gate exam. Let us assume he completed total syllabus. Without doing any practice also, Ras, they used to get the 50 marks easily. Just a complete syllabus without by hearting. Without by hearting, learn all the concepts. Then they are going to get the 50 marks. If they do for that one or two revisions, they maybe land up with almost like 80 marks. But I seen some people who are studying day and night, who done the 2 times revision, 10 times revision, who done the 2 years, who done the 3 years, they used to disqualify. Reason is by hearting. Reason is not using common sense. So this is the biggest difference I see. Some people who will use the common sense a lot. Those people who will use the common sense a lot. One time only. All the subjects one time they will read. Right? One time they will read. Afterwards PYQs one time they will practice. Right? Followed by they will write the test series. If time is there, they will write the test series. Just everything one time doing, but using common sense, using sense. They used to get the very nice ranks. In my opinion, CSE people required really common sense.
Okay.
They seriously think about how to solve the problem instead of by hearting. This is
Okay.
this quality there, CSE people will grow.
Correct.
This
So in
quality needed for aptitude, this quality needed for every subject of CSE, this quality will make. So if anyone say, I am so great in DSA. If anyone say, minimum thing required is common sense only. The person who
yes,
is a more DSA skills is having more common sense. I used to
correct.
see this.
Correct.
Yeah.
So in summary, Sar is saying that so practical approach always helps you instead of by hearting. Right. So we'll go to the next question, sir. Like, how does an IIT Bombay student approach towards the problem solving is different from the Tier 3 college student? This is interesting. Yeah.
I think if you see the IIT people, they don't accept anything blindly.
True.
You say to them anything, they don't take granted. They will see what is the problem, what he is saying, right? They will see, oh, is it working or not? If any doubts are there, they will ask. Whatever you are saying, they don't take blindly. So anything, whatever you say, they will listen first. What is the input, what is the output, is it practically possible? We can't be like this, we can't be like this. So every manner they will, every possibility they will check. But other people I identified, right? Other people. But however it is, I cannot say Raz IIT non-IITian, right? Some IIT people also may be like that, some non-IIT people also like that. It is based on person to person.
Yes,
So
agree.
blindly, right? So don't try to give the answer for the problem directly. Please understand the problem, find out what are the possibilities, ask any questions are there, what is the practical implementation. So if I seen one more thing, non-IIT people, most of the non-IIT people I seen, Ras, they will use the YouTube, they will use the Instagram, they will use the right LinkedIn, all the things. So they are always concerned about how to use all these things. But if at all IIT students I identified, right, how this much scaling is going on, how these many users YouTube is handling, how these many users Instagram is handling, what will be the design behind this. They will always think about practical approach. They don't want to be users. They want to be practical. What can be the reason? Maybe how the load balancer is working inside. What is the actual system design for this? In which programming language this is implemented? So they will always think about. I cannot label it as IIT people. I cannot label it as non-IIT people, right? Those people who became successful, who are not became successful. This is the difference I see. Normal people will use, right? The people who want to grow in their life, they will always think what better we can do, right? What is the background behind this? Why it is running that much smoothly? What is the reason for this? So they will always see practically.
Yes, sir. Perfect answer, sir. So in summary, Sir is telling that so you should build always a right practical approach towards the problem, and also if you interpret the problem properly, so then 80% of the answer is over. That is what Sir is telling. So then we will move to the next question, sir.
Yeah.
So many students choose always the wrong resources and then struggle later point of time. Like how can they break this cycle? And simply you can say that common mistake to avoid as a CSE student.
Mm. Yeah, I think this is a very very tricky question, very very interesting question, Ras. Few minutes back only, I spoken with one of the students. Few minutes back only, I spoken with one of the students. Many people I will speak, but because of you asked this question, immediately I got this one in the mind. So she is so talented. Approximately, she is having 9.5, 9.5 CGP. Right in the BTech, 9.5 CGP she is having, right? So the thing what she done is she prepared the gate examination. She prepared the gate examination maybe by seeing the YouTube, by seeing some video lectures here and there. She didn't join anywhere. She didn't take in coaching anywhere. She's a really talented person. She's a really talented person. So she didn't use any resources. She maybe some free resources, maybe in the YouTube, something like that. She done right. Finally, she ended up approximately 25 to 35 marks. Right, 1 year time is over. 1 year time is over. For her intelligence, if she use proper resources, if at all she will use, she could have get 25 rank maybe, 35 rank maybe. She made the big blunder by selecting the wrong resources. Then I asked her, "Do you have that much money problem? You really have money problem? 20,000, 30,000 also can't you pay?" Sir, really, we don't have that kind of problem. Money is not a criteria. Then why you selected? Sir, some people suggested me like this. That's the reason I started. It not required coaching and all. See, anything is possible in on this earth. Anything. Without coaching also you can crack. With coaching also you can crack. Anything. But there is a story for everything. Suppose, right, you are not bothered that much about mentorship and all. You don't want to take anyone. You may do some random things, right? You may take the some wrong, unfortunately wrong thing, which may cost you 1 year. So my request to all the people, whoever watching this, my request to all the people, if money is not a problem, please take some resource, good resource you take. Don't take the blind resources. Right, you utilize the people who are experienced people, utilize their things. Otherwise, after 1 year is over, if you cry, how what is the use? Now you know. See how to wait. See how to fourth year is completed. Our fourth year is completed. Now she how to prepare in the total fifth year for the gate example. 1 year she how to spoil. If she done, if she utilized the some nice resources, right? It could have been the very beautiful journey. So, in my opinion, have some guide, take some right, take the some mentor. Whenever it's a serious problem, then whatever you are doing may be okay. Sir, I don't have 1 rupee also. I don't have anything, sir. It is impossible, sir. Maybe that is, I think, that YouTube, maybe you can see and all. Don't keep unnecessarily yourself. You are enjoying in the YouTube. You have internet also. You have some, right, fancy, I think, mobile phone also there. Everything is fine. Only at this place you have problem, right? If something will grow you, I don't find out spending something in that is wrong. Otherwise, 1 year it may cost you. 1 year you may lose. So using the right resources matters.
Yes,
And
perfect answer.
as I used to say in algorithms, Raj, I want to go from one point to another point. I want to go from one point to another point. There may be so many paths. You cannot take randomly some path. You cannot go there. Apply Dijkstra's algorithm. Find out which is the shortest path. In that you go. You may say it will take some time and all. You may say it will take some time and all, but the best one, right? If you go there, within less time you will reach. No, otherwise I will go randomly, right? It is a serious concern for all the people. 1 year it will waste. So one more person draws to, I think, I done one interview also. His rank is 3060. There is
Sai
one
Shiva.
person is 3060, right? So, but second year he got 3060. First year almost he disqualified. I asked what is the reason. I followed randomly one YouTube person, right? He said that the gate syllabus is completed. He made for every chapter one small video, right? Approximately for all the subjects he made 200 videos. Total syllabus is over, he said. But when I go to the examination, nothing happened. Because he completed only 10% syllabus, I got only 10 marks. It cost me 1 year. How can you go blindly some resource? Right? If anyone say also, please don't trust them. Right? If really problem and really money problem, then only see that kind of shortest paths. Right? If at all, if money is not a problem, don't create your own money problem. I will do this way to spend. Right? Everything will come with some price. Everything will come with some tag. So please take care. So identifying correct resources are very, very important. Right.
Yes, sir. Perfect, sir. Thank you for the answer. You elaborated more, like you've given more information on this. So I'll request everybody whoever is watching, whoever is following the Reddy sir directly, indirectly, please try to invest yourself properly at the right time. If you are not investing right time at the right time, then it will cost you like anything. Later point of time, you need to struggle like anything in the life. Please try to invest properly. Okay.
As
So
I
there is
want
a
to say one also, Raz, as I want to say one more thing.
yes, sir.
Not only investing, investing correct time. If you
Yes, sir.
invest
Right.
in the fourth year, if you invest in the fourth year, what do they use?
Yeah.
Fourth year contain, there is a semesters also, there is a project also, there is
Project,
a
place.
placement also, and you are doing the gate also, you are doing some extra, right, upgrading skills also. So
Yeah.
you cannot do these many things at a time. Find the
Yeah.
correct time.
Good.
Oh, this is the time, right? Oh, gate, this is the time.
Yeah.
Next one, upgrading skills, this is the time. Identify the time.
Yeah.
Gate
Correct, sir.
correct opinion is second year. Gate, right? My opinion is right. Second year is the correct time. Development you can do from the first year onwards. If you are a good developer, development you learn in the first year itself. It will you can use in the 4 years. Second year you can improve a little more. Third year you can improve a little more. Development you can go in all the years anywhere you can go. Right? If you learn the development skills early, you will become a very good developer. Right? Upgrading skills, right? So correct time is important and the correct resource also important.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Sir, and also
Yeah.
one thing I want to tell to all students is that through with your permission, so if you are
Mhm.
not investing at the right moment, so after completing your BTech, more than yourself, your neighbors will like worry about your career and they will always question you whenever going in and out of your home. Try to try to be very careful about this thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So next question. It is very problematic to the so many students. So I
Mhm.
hope like your answer will at least change some people. So many students spending hours on YouTube, Instagram. Like how can they turn this into the productive habit instead of distraction? Like
Hmm. Oh. So I already said, I think Raz, I already given
yeah,
answer for this one,
yeah,
right?
yes,
That's
yes,
me. So everyone watching the YouTube and all, that's fine. Everyone watching the Instagram and all. So instead of watching that one, you think about as a CSE person, right? I mean, what is going on inside? You can discuss with your friends, right? Which language they are using. How this can be possible? Because if you take some websites, they will be very slow. But these many users, how it is handling. If you take the Hotstar cricket match is going on, how many people live? All are watching the cricket match. What
yes,
you think about what will be the system? What is the system design for this? Right, Hotstar means online. Right, I think. What can I
yesterday
say?
it was 30 crores, sir. More than 30 crores.
Yeah. So
Yesterday,
how can I handle 30 crore people? Means YouTube is the best example. How these many people are handling. Please debug it inside. This is the you can make this disadvantage as a positive one. Think about what is the background behind this, how the database will be inside, what is the front end, what is the back end, right? How many developers are working most probably, right? How the load balancer, what about the micro service calls. So these all the things. And what about the server, what kind of server they are using, is it
what
AWS or
type
something else?
of
So find out all possibilities. What kind of database it is? Means right? Maybe is it Oracle or MySQL? I don't know that you know very well because you are a database right full stack developer. You know very well. You are a lead product manager, so you know very well. So these are all the things. Instead of thinking like a normal person, why don't you utilize like this? Everywhere thinking about how it can be developed. Then if you
yes,
can
sir.
do like every day, I think you are going to be a very good computer science person.
Yes, correct. So in short, I can say one thing, like it is not important that how many hours or how many you are talking with your girlfriend or how many hours you are chatting with your girlfriend, but instead you try to understand the design behind that Instagram or WhatsApp or something like that. In short. So
Mm,
next question,
mm,
we'll move to the next question. Like cracking the
mm.
FAANG and MANG interviews with the right approach. You already given, but I will ask in a different way. So there are so many non-IIT students, and they are actually worrying. Like, so I am not a non-IIT students, whether I can go apply for Google or Microsoft or product-based companies. Like they're like in starting stage itself, they're like ignoring completely. Like to them, like what can you suggest?
Yeah. So as I mentioned to you previously, there is nothing called here IIT, non-IIT. Many of my students are there who are non-IITians, right? So in my opinion, my student, 20 percentage or 30 percentage people went to IITs because you cannot send everyone, right? IIT having limited seats, even though many of my students are capable, but see, IIT seats are limited. So 20-30 percentage people went to IIT. Remaining 80 percentage people, right? They are non IITian, but now they are working in the Google. Now they are working in the Microsoft. Now they are working in the right. They used to work in the TCS. Afterwards, they took the gate classes and all. They written the gate exam. They got lot of knowledge. Maybe they didn't get the IIT, but they got the big product based company. So there is no relation at all IIT non IIT here, right? The only thing here is you have skill or not. If you upgrade yourself nicely, you will go to the nice places. So
Yes.
upgrading is the important here. Upgrading. You have knowledge or not? Are you upgrading or not? So I am non IITian. I cannot go to nowhere it is written Google. Only IIT people are allowed. Nowhere Microsoft written. It is only IIT people are allowed. Nowhere
Okay.
written. In after going to IIT also, many people don't get in the Google. Many people don't get in the Microsoft. All people it cannot take, right? There
Yes.
also again skill set. There also again, I am a IITian. After getting the gate examination, I went to IIT. There I didn't learn enough skills. Automatically, there also Microsoft don't take them. There also Google don't take them. Everywhere, wherever you go, skill set required, knowledge required. Wherever you go, you have this, then automatically, right, you are also going to be successful. And if you go to the Google, most of the people are non-IITians. Take the simple example. Satya Nadella, where he studied in IIT. He's a
Yes.
Microsoft CEO, is the highest paid person in the entire world as of now. He's leading the very big, right, biggest company of the entire India, entire world.
Yeah.
Right? What is his qualification? Where is IIT? IIT and to him there is no relation.
Yes.
So I see not only because of Satya Nadella is so famous. I am saying my students, many people are there. They don't have IIT tag. Sir, I tried IIT, I didn't get sir. Now I am there in the Google. One person said yesterday. Sir, I tried my level best, sir. That time I didn't get. Then afterwards I went to the Delhi Technical University, DTU. Now I am working in the Amijan. So there is no relation at all. Just have the enough skills, gain as much knowledge as possible every day. You are going to be successful.
Right. So we'll move to the next question, sir. Immediately, when we say that anyone can try for the product-based company, next immediate question students ask is what is the right resources for that one? So right resources for coding and improving the problem-solving skills and practicing the system design and examples and all. So and sir, before you answering, I wanted to ask one more thing. So why your DSA course is so popular? Why your algorithms and data structure classes are so popular? Why so many students are crazy about this your classes?
The reason is, I think I will say very easily. The reason why people are crazy about the my DSA classes is I don't say anything blindly, Ross. I don't say anything. This is the code. That is the code. I used to write in class. Very worst code I used to write. My
Yes.
concentration never be a coding. My concentration is I want to show. I used to show the visualization. I can say clearly it's a pointer. I will almost show what is how the pointer look like. Almost I will show how the pointer look like. I almost show what is the exactly BFS. Right? I think I used to say snake is going like this, like this, like this. That is a BFS, right? So
Yes.
I used to say cat is going directly like this one. That is a DFS. I never say some by-hearted things, this and that. First of all, I will think myself, what is the best way I can say?
Yes, sir.
The reason why people crazy about my DS is I feel visualization. I will show clear picture. I will show. If you see the MedSort algorithm, I will do almost like right. So
Yes.
many parts I will divide. If you
More
draw
than
the line, what will happen?
more
If
than
you draw
8 hours website itself, sir.
Methsort, I don't know. It is almost like there is a cake and taking the knife, cutting whatever part you want. Here to here,
Yes.
what will happen? Here to
Still remember,
maximum,
sir. Still
the
remember.
maximum
Yes.
other people what they can do. What the maximum other people can do is they will say one example of Methsort. They will give one program.
Yes.
No, I am not like that. I am almost feel that. So Methsort is a one cake. If I cut horizontal, what will happen? If I cut vertical, what happened? If I cut horizontal, vertical, what exactly will happen? So I will
Yes.
do many parts. So that is the reason. That is the reason. I don't write that much code. Also, there are many
Yes.
people who can write the better code than me. My writing is almost like a doctor writing, but still people are like.
Yes.
Reason is visualization. I can say strongly visualization. I will show. One person said to me, I didn't see in pointer, but after listening your class, I got to know how pointer look like. I didn't see it anywhere how right pointer and all, but I got to know there is a one pointer, one person is there. He will point somewhere. So she used to give diagrams also. I felt so happy.
Yes.
Visualization is the major. I will
Yes,
show
sir.
to them. Yeah.
You try to build intuition for every problem, so that helps me a lot, like anything, sir. Even in workplace also, I'm telling to everybody, it's not like for gate exam alone or any competitive exam, but when you are working in your workplace, like when you are working in any of the company, how can you utilize that problem solving skills in workplace? How can you build a strong like good quality product out of using your problem skills? That you have to focus on more on that part. So Reddy sir classes helped me like anything. So like thank you so much for, sir, for that. I literally still now also I can visualize like you did a postmortem of every concept.
So not only my way of saying Ras, you used to ask many questions. I still remember the way
Yes.
from you I learned many things. Right? I can. That is the reason you got that title, lead product engineer, senior lead product engineer. You didn't get right easily. You got right. You have enough knowledge. Always used to think about. Always you used to ask different questions. I still remember how much you spoiled my life. 1 year I lost because of your questions and all. I increased by 1 year because of your torture. But anyhow, I felt happy because right because of you I learned many things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Like so, because of so many students' demands, so we wanted to take this right resources for and right approach for coding and problem solving skills and design in a elaborative way in the next session. So before closing the session, so I have two more questions. Then we can close the session. So what does the like? How does the gate preparation improve the students' problem solving skills? Sir? Again, you already elaborated, but what are the topics that is really essential for even for placement, even for gate? Can you
So
emphasize these things?
in GATE exam they used to take care about programming also, right? Theoretical things also, hardware also, software also, everything they will take care about. If you see the computer network, all the basic computer things in the networking, what require, all components they will discuss, right? If you go to the digital, you will find out all the hardware components they will take care about. If you go to the operating system, how operating system will work out. If you go to the algorithm and discrete mathematics and TOC, all three are almost similar, right? They will take care about logic building, how to build the logic. TOC, discrete mathematics and algorithm. These three subjects major goal is how to build logic. A power n, B power n, C power n, and the TOC. How to check these three people are equal or not,
Yes.
right?
Thank you, sir.
So,
Yes.
so in my opinion, these three subjects there is no difference at all. If you take the logic, Everything is logic building. For all, there exists, right? There is a, I think, right? Uh, what can I say? There is a first order logic. There is a concept, right? In that, all are logics only. Total discrete mathematics is a combination of graph theory, logics. Logic itself is logic, group theory, relations, everything. So it will make you perfect computer science person. These
Yes.
subjects are going to be very tricky if you start by hearting. If you
Yes.
start by
So,
hearting, these subjects may hijack your life.
yeah.
They may
Logical
spoil
thinking
your life.
approach. Yeah.
Yeah, if you start thinking like a normal person, you no need to do some extraordinary things also. If you are start thinking normal thing, normal, questioning yourself. Why not like this? Why like this? Why are you saying the left only? Why not right? There is some reason. If you know that, if you keep on asking small, small things, if you keep on clarifying by having consistency, then I think these are going to be just study 1 year gate preparation confidently. Forget about rank. Some people they will study gate, Raz. They will always bother about rank will come or not, rank will come or not. Do the necessary things, automatically all will come, right? Do properly all the subjects one time and practice, automatically all will come. If you keep on by hearting and only namesake studying, you don't get any advantage. So
Yes.
to learn all the computer science concepts clearly, gate is the best one.
Yes.
It's the best.
Yes, sir. Sir, one more important question. You already addressed this question, but still again before closing, so I wanted to ask this question. So, what makes the difference between the students who are preparing with the help of the mentor and right guru, and the students who are preparing without mentor? They will assume that with the self preparation, I will get a one or something like that. Then eventually they will end up with the no rank. So, what
Hmm.
are your suggestions to them?
Right. Right. So there may be some people, Ross. There may be some people without coaching, they got the good rank.
Yes.
But his story different, your story different.
Yes.
To him, it is a necessity. He cannot accommodate that much money. To him, it is a necessity, and he's so talented person. He's so talented. I see many people who are so talented. Without coaching, right? Without anything, they cracked it because necessity is the one thing. If at all you have money, why you will do that? So how much
Yes.
hard work it is? You have to first of all find out who are right, which subject, which teacher is the best. At anywhere, if you have doubt, whom you will ask. Okay, you started learning his lectures. Doubt is there, whom you will ask. Right? You will roam here and there. It will waste a lot of time. So don't try to copy someone else. The people who got the good rank also without coaching class, right? They cannot suggest people like this. Without gate also, without training also, you can crack. It is almost like spoiling someone's life.
True.
Do you know? Is it really possible to him? It may be possible to you. Is it possible to him? Do you know this? Okay, after 1 year he realized, Arey, it's 1 year wasted. Then how can you generalize that statement? For some people, maybe it will work out. My strong suggestion, right? Don't do like that. Until unless there is a necessity to you, you don't do like this. Right? Spend some money and get the good resource. Right? There is a one of our student is there. He is getting all India rank one. If at all resource is not there, suppose we didn't guide it properly, he may get some other small, right, some other pattern. If not, he may be getting now. Most we are expecting rank one. Maybe he may get maybe rank 50, rank 100. If at all proper guidance is not there, we tried our level best, whatever possible from our team. So guidance will make paths very simple. So many struggles I got. Why my students also should struggle? I cannot say 20 books to him. Algorithm subject, go and study these 20 books. Greedy chapter, greedy technique, this book. Dynamic programming, this book. I done. Why my students should do? I kept everything in the form of classes. Please go and read one by one. Doubts are there, ask me, I will clarify. So that your time will be saved. So without my support, you can learn that particular subject by taking 6 months. With my support, you can learn that subject only 15 days. It will save a lot of your time, lot of your resources, many things.
Correct.
Guidance
That's
will
it.
make. Path simple. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, final tips you wanted to, if you want to give any final tips.
Yeah, Raz, I think in the next session, I think we have one more session.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. So that's what we will
In the
close the
next,
session
yeah,
for
in the
now.
next session, maybe we can come up with some more points.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. You have given valuable information. So from non-IIT, IIT, comparing and giving a real-time examples also. Thank you so much for spending your time for your students.
Thank you so much, Raz, for starting this new series. It's really going to be helpful to the students. Right? It's a
Yes,
very nice idea, right? It is our responsibility as elders guiding the people nicely. So I think it is a very nice initiative. I hope we will continue few more things like this, which are really
yes,
going to be useful to them.
yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, actually, you will design the products. Now you are designing people also.
So under your guidance.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's a really nice initiative. I really appreciate you. It's a great work. It's a noble cause, noble work.
Yes. Yes, sir. Stay tuned, guys. We are going to come up with so many things like this to help you. Reddy sir is planning so many things. He is eager to help so many students. Stay tuned here. So whether you cracked IIT gate or not doesn't I mean like whether you cracked or not. So Reddy sir is planning for every kind of student. He wanted to help so many people. Stay tuned. You will get more and more updates like this.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you
sir.
so
We
much.
can go.
Thanks for us. Thanks everyone, whoever is watching. So thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you, Ras. Good night.
Yeah. Good night, sir. Bye.